Alright, this is my 2013 F-150. I'm disabling my seatbelt chime because my sister bought a house a mile up the road and I'm constantly going over to help. So, I'm doing this for the first time. I have no idea how to do it. Kind of have an idea to do it, but I've never done it before. So we're going to try it out right now for the first time. So, headlights off. Parking brake on. Key just forward. And I think we wait until the seatbelt light goes off. Maybe it won't go off. It says in the manual how to do it, I think. Alright, anyway, I'm just going to go ahead and unplug, or take my seatbelt, click it, and undo it rapidly a bunch of times, and the seatbelt light should just start flashing. Alright, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Got it. That's it. I guess that is it. Alright, so now I don't know, it said something about the headlights had to be off before, so I turned them off. Turned my AC off too, but now I'm just trying it out. Let's see if it works here. I just got sick of it going up and down the street. My sister lives a mile away and it's just constantly going off. And yeah, I wear my seatbelt most of the time, but if you're going a mile up the road, traveling in subdivision streets, why the hell do you have to wear your seatbelt? Yeah, it's a good idea to wear your seatbelt, I get it, but you know, that chime is a little annoying if you're driving a block, 2 blocks away. And well, so far it would have went off by now and the light would have been on, so it looks like that was it. I'm just gonna make sure until I get all the way back there that was completely it. I did an instructional video on my bug deflector, and I was really surprised how many people watched it. And I still, to this day, have not found another video how to install the factory bug deflector. So I'm glad people like that. So that's kind of why I did this. And I just wanted to disconnect the thing, so... Anyway, no, it worked. Cool. And this works on F-150. I'm sure all models. Mine's an FX4, but it should work on all of them.